Alright, got my coffee. We're heading out in my rinky-dink little work truck to do what? What are we doing here, Brian?
Broke my car and we're gonna go fix it in the snow.
Oh yeah. The curb, control arm is totally done, so we're gonna go fix it right now. Downtown Seattle on the street in the snow. And I honestly have no idea how it's gonna turn out.
Look at this. Where's the big one? It's right there.
Boom, there it is. And totally,
Here, let me get it.
totally cracked. So we're gonna go and try to get this car that this wheel came off of back up and running. We'll keep you guys updated as we go.
Just a little curb rash.
We are back to the car. You can see we are actually in downtown Seattle right now.
This is gonna be great.
And there's just been snow piling up because we got stuck during the initial snow. There's probably 2 inches of snow and we got stuck here. Wow, she is flat. Holy cow.
Yeah, I know. I shouldn't have let air out.
Spare tire on, totally flat. But we couldn't get it on back here because it was too tight. So now.
I know. We shouldn't have fucking put it flat. God damn it.
It's just so cool how it's like downtown Seattle. You got the buildings in the background.
Oh yeah, it's sick. Super sick.
So, all right, we're gonna get going at it. Get the spare back off, and then try to get back to that control arm. It's back there. It's totally just that right there. I can't hardly see what's going on, but it's bowed out, done for. So we're gonna get the new lower control arm on, and hopefully be back rolling here within an hour or so.
Hour, baby.
All right, we're turning this wheel to get this tool back behind here.
A little more visible.
Dude, I think it came off. So,
Fuck.
got the nut off that back bolt, but getting the bolt out is tough. We were trying to get it out from this side, but unfortunately the angle of everything being
Out of whack.
yeah, is making it difficult to get it out that way. Trying to pull the bolt out the back and take it out from the back end here. All right, we're getting a little bit more straightforward with it right now. Did you get that? Almost.
I gotta turn the wheel straight.
We're close. Let's see here.
Watch your arm, Jimmy.
Okay, I'm getting out of there. Yeah. Yup. Hopefully this gets it. Keep going. Keep going. All right. Yeah. I haven't looked yet. Let me check it. Nope. We're still on there a little bit.
Okay. Here.
But she's close. You can start seeing it starting to go forward more too.
Oh, really?
A little bit, looks like. Not much, but. Did you get it?
Yep.
Did you just come forward?
Just about.
The drop down definitely.
Look at
Oh,
that.
nice. Good job, Brian. So now I gotta get the back bolt off there. But you can see the control arm definitely loose. Maybe you can just pull it out with your fingers.
I'm trying.
Hopefully it's not totally stripped out. I'm trying to get it out. There we go. Almost there.
Get the new one on. I'm hoping it goes on a little easier than that one came off.
This is crazy.
Fuck, I'm pissed I hit that line, dude. Thanks for noticing that, Jimmy.
The difference between the messed up one and the one that's going on. All right. Let me get behind here. We got this all in. You can see we had to use the old bolt right there because the one that the controller arm came with is a 19 millimeter. We didn't have a 19 millimeter wrench. So she's in. See how much she looks good. Hopefully wheel goes on good. Got clearance. Oh, and the tire's flat.
Oh, fuck. Forgot about that.
We wouldn't have been able to get her on yesterday if it wasn't a little bit flat. Let her sit right overnight. So, nice. It's sitting a lot better than it was. Alright.
Looks like it's still a little rubby there, huh?
Maybe. In the back?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see after we get the jack off the jacks. And down she goes.
And flat tire.
Flat tire. Wow, she looks good though. Nice.
Yeah, the wheel is turned a little bit.
Oh, really?
That'll be the...
Alrighty. Not too bad there. Used to be up against the back, you couldn't even fit your fingers back there. Looking good.
Got all the other tabs off?
Yeah.